While an integrated cost leadership differentiation strategy provides substantial advantages, it also presents risks of execution complexity, strategic inconsistency, and increased operational demands. Firms pursuing an integrated cost leadership and differentiation strategy risk getting stuck in the middle, unable to fully satisfy cost-conscious consumers or those seeking premium differentiation. If prices aren't low enough to compete with cost leaders and differentiation isn't strong enough to justify a premium, the strategy collapses. Kmart and Sears are prime examples of this failure. Their inconsistent strategy led to weak cost-cutting efforts and lackluster differentiation, ultimately resulting in an undefined value proposition that failed to resonate with any market segment. Successfully executing this strategy demands operational excellence, strong supply chain management, continuous innovation, and dynamic leadership. Without these, firms risk fading into irrelevance, just as Kmart and Sears did. This video is produced by Business Academy.